Why do some Western men struggle to find long-term relationships with Western women? This question sparks a fascinating dialogue about cultural dynamics and personal preferences in the realm of romance and relationships. Today, we're going to journey into this intriguing topic, exploring the reasons why some Western men perceive Western women as less than ideal for long-term partnerships. We'll compare and contrast the characteristics of Western women and women from other parts of the globe, unpacking societal norms, values, and expectations in different cultures. We'll also shed light on the places where Western men might potentially find long-term female partners. The aim is not to create divisions or fuel stereotypes, but to foster understanding, respect, and mutual appreciation for the diverse expressions of femininity around the world. So buckle up for an enlightening and thought-provoking discourse. So let's delve into the complexities of relationships and cultural factors that shape them. What are the common characteristics of Western women, and how do they influence long-term relationships? When we talk about Western women, we often think of individuals who are independent, career-oriented, strong-willed, and equality-driven. These characteristics can shape their relationships in distinct ways, which can be both empowering and challenging. Independence, for instance, is a cornerstone of Western society. Women here are encouraged to be self-reliant, pursuing their own interests and goals. This can lead to a balanced relationship, where both parties have their own lives outside of the relationship, adding depth and richness to their shared experiences. However, for some, this independence might be perceived as a lack of commitment or reluctance to compromise, which could pose a challenge in long-term relationships. Career orientation is another key trait. Western women are often ambitious, striving for professional success and financial stability. This can contribute to a relationship's stability and mutual respect. Yet the pursuit of career can sometimes overshadow personal life, making it difficult to strike a healthy work-life balance, which is crucial in maintaining a long-term relationship. Strong-willed Western women are known for standing up for their rights and beliefs. They value their voice being heard and respected, fostering open and honest communication in relationships. But a strong will can also lead to clashes if not managed with understanding and compromise. Finally, Western women are equality-driven. They seek partnerships where responsibilities and decisions are shared equally. This can lead to a balanced and harmonious relationship where both parties feel valued and respected. However, it might challenge traditional relationship dynamics, which could cause tension if both parties are not on the same page. Understanding these characteristics and how they shape Western women's approach to relationships is crucial. It helps us appreciate the strengths they bring to a relationship and the challenges they may face. As we navigate the complex world of relationships, it's important to remember that each individual is unique, with their own set of values, goals, and expectations. Now let's turn our attention to women from other parts of the world. How do women from other countries differ from their Western counterparts? A question that might hold the key to understanding the longevity of relationships. As we shift our focus from the West, we encounter a vast array of cultures, traditions, and societal norms that shape the characteristics of women in different parts of the world. In many Eastern and developing countries, traditional values still hold considerable influence. Women from these regions often grow up in environments that emphasize the importance of family unity and close-knit relationships. They are frequently seen as the pillars of their families, nurturing and caring for their loved ones with a sense of devotion that is deeply ingrained in their culture. This nurturing trait, a cornerstone of many non-Western societies, often translates into the romantic relationships these women forge. They are known to invest heavily in their partners, providing emotional support, care, and a sense of belonging. Their relationships aren't just about them and their partners. They extend to include their families, their communities, and their traditions. Moreover, in many of these cultures, women are often seen as more compliant or submissive in their relationships. Now, this doesn't mean they lack ambition or independence. Instead, this is a reflection of their cultural norms, where harmony and cooperation are valued over individualistic pursuits. They are taught to compromise and work in tandem with their partners, fostering a relationship dynamic that encourages stability and longevity. But it's crucial to remember that these are general observations and may not apply to every woman from these regions. Just like their Western counterparts, they too are individuals with their own unique traits and aspirations. In essence, the characteristics often associated with women from other countries, their nurturing nature, their family-oriented mindset, and their cooperative approach to relationships can contribute significantly to the longevity of relationships. With this comparison, we can see how cultural backgrounds can significantly influence relationship dynamics. And perhaps it gives us a fresh perspective on where to look for long-term partners. But remember, every person is unique, and finding the right partner is about compatibility, respect, and mutual understanding, regardless of where they come from. Where might Western men find long-term female partners? This question often stirs a wave of curiosity and intrigue, especially for those seeking a different cultural experience in their pursuit of love. Let's start with Eastern Europe. Countries like Ukraine, Russia, and Poland are often highlighted for their traditional values with emphasis on family and relationships. Women from this region tend to value commitment and loyalty, which are cornerstones for long-term relationships. These cultural aspects, coupled with the shared European history, could make Eastern Europe an attractive destination. Moving on, we turn our gaze towards Asia. Countries such as the Philippines, Thailand, and Vietnam are frequently noted for their hospitable and nurturing nature. The emphasis on respect and harmony in these cultures often translates into a balanced and respectful relationship dynamic, which is essential for a long-term partnership. The distinct cultural experiences and rich traditions that Asia offers could be a fascinating journey for those seeking an enriching love story. Next, let's explore South America, a continent known for its vibrant cultures and warm-hearted people. In countries like Colombia, Brazil, and Argentina, there's a strong sense of community and family which often extends into their romantic relationships. South American women tend to be passionate and devoted partners, which can kindle a deep emotional connection, a critical ingredient for a lasting relationship. The lively cultures and beautiful landscapes of South America could provide a colorful backdrop for your love story. But remember, finding a long-term partner isn't just about location. It's about understanding the cultural nuances, appreciating the differences, and being open to learning and growing together. Each country, each culture brings its unique elements to the table, and it's these elements that can nurture a relationship, allowing it to thrive and endure. Now that we've explored potential locations, let's conclude our discussion. Remember, love knows no boundaries, and your quest for a long-term partner could lead you to places you've never imagined. So keep an open mind, embrace the journey, and you might just find your perfect match in the most unexpected of places. What does this all mean for Western men seeking long-term relationships? Well, it's simple. It's a call to broaden our horizons, to look beyond what we know and what we are used to. It's a reminder that the world is wide, and within it exists a beautiful array of cultures, each with their own distinct ways of life, their own unique sets of values, their own perspectives on love and relationships. This isn't about labeling one group as ideal and the other as less ideal. It's about understanding that differences exist, and that's perfectly okay. It's about embracing these differences and finding compatibility amidst them. We should remember to respect all women, regardless of their cultural backgrounds or personal characteristics. After all, the beauty of love lies in its ability to bridge gaps, to unite two distinct individuals under a bond of mutual understanding and respect. Remember, the key to a successful long-term relationship is mutual respect, understanding, and love. The world is a diverse place filled with potential partners. It's about finding the right match for you.